Hey there, welcome back to your YouTube channel name. Today, we have an exciting topic that's going to change the way you think about making money online. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to earn $2,000 in just 7 days using Chat GPT? Well, you're in for a treat because in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. Stay tuned. But before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest money-making strategies and tech tips. Alright, let's get started. So, you might be wondering, how can Chat GPT help you make $2,000 in just 7 days? It's all about leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to generate valuable content, offers, and connections. Let's break down the steps. Understanding Chat GPT. First things first, let's talk about Chat GPT. It's an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It can understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. This technology is revolutionizing various industries, including content creation and marketing. Identifying a profitable niche. Once you're familiar with Chat GPT, it's time to identify a profitable niche. Choose an area that you're passionate about and has a demand in the market. Whether it's health, finance, tech, or any other field, Chat GPT can help you create engaging content that attracts an audience. Creating compelling content. Content is king, and Chat GPT is your secret weapon. Use it to generate blog posts, social media captions, and even video scripts. Just like the one we're using right now. The AI can help you save time and energy while producing high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Monetizing your content. Alright, now that you have engaging content, let's talk money. You can monetize your content through various channels like affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or even your own digital products. Chat GPT can assist you in crafting persuasive sales copy and product descriptions that convert. Building connections. But wait, there's more. Building connections is key to success. Use Chat GPT to reach out to potential collaborators, clients, or customers. Its personalized messages can help you establish meaningful relationships that open up new opportunities for earning. There you have it, folks. Making $2,000 in just 7 days with Chat GPT is not only possible but exciting. Remember, the future is AI, and by harnessing its potential, you can achieve financial success while doing what you love. So, are you ready to take your online earning journey to the next level? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are looking to make money online. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.